Not afraid, I go before you always. Come, follow me, and I will give you rest. Dear brothers and sisters, we appeal to you for help to relieve the sufferings of our brothers and sisters in NTT province in Indonesia. The recent flood has paralyzed the NTT province in a scale that has never been witnessed in its entire history. The destructive flood that has claimed countless numbers of lives and destroyed many bridges and key infrastructures, combined with the COVID-19 pandemic and the devastating ASF, the African swine flu pandemic that has claimed close, if not more than 1 million pigs throughout the region, is a grave concern for all of us. Must we stand silent? NTT province, with a population of 5 million people, is the poorest province in Indonesia, with about 1 million people living under the poverty line. NTT is the only province among the 34 provinces in Indonesia with a GDP less than 20 million rupiah per year, or less than 2,000 Australian dollars per year. Source of the Indonesian Bureau of Statistics, www.bps.go.id. So we, the missionaries of God's love in Maumere and NTT, felt called to respond generously and reach out. So this Easter, we appeal to your compassionate heart to stand together and give witness to our risen Christ. We are by His feet, His hands, His eyes and His mouth. So these unprecedented calamities bring about endless opportunities for us to be united as a body of Christ. Let us be true disciples of the risen Lord, just as He commands us to love one another. Just as I have loved you, you are also to love one another. By this, everyone will know that you are my disciples if you love one another. And may God bless you and touch your hearts to really reach out to these brothers and sisters in the NTT province in Indonesia. And we thank you for your generosity.